What's going on, guys? Stefan here with you, S&E's Garage. Today we have behind us our new to us 2023 GX460, and we just went ahead and bought some Amazon floor liners or all-weather floor mats for these things, and I wanted to share them with you because they're actually really good. So traditionally speaking, I'm a WeatherTech guy. I put WeatherTech in everything. My GSF there has WeatherTech. My GX470 on the backyard has WeatherTech. But for whatever reason, WeatherTech does not offer a third row floor mat for this vehicle. So they have the first row and the second row here, but the third row, they give us absolutely no options. So I went ahead and I looked on Amazon and I found these 3W accessory mats. And I said, you know what? Let's give them a shot. And I actually really like them, and they have floor mats for a bunch of different vehicles, so I just figured I'd show them to you. So if you look up front here, they wrap around the seat mount very nicely, and then they just slightly come up over this trim panel here. That way dirt from your shoes can't get in between the floor mat or the liner and your carpet, which I think is really nice. That means that this floor liner is going to capture all of that stuff. They have pretty nice deep hips over here, so any water that gets in here is going to stay in here. And then these channels here will also help catch that, snow and slush, whatever else it is that you may encounter. And they also do lock into place, which I think is really nice. So they're not going to move and they're not going to interfere with your gas pedal like has happened before in these Lexus vehicles. And on the passenger side, you're going to see much of the same. The only thing I did is I went ahead and swapped these over so it would look like this, like on the driver's side. They come with a different set on here that you just push on to lock, but I like the twist lock. I think they're a little bit more sturdy, but again, they do come up pretty high there. They have a nice, wide set of hips. And then we have some nice channeling here to capture any water, ice, dirt, debris, and it's going to keep it from getting in between the floor mat and the carpet. Now if we come here in the back seat, again, really nice here. It's going to come up over the trim panel here. It goes pretty far under the seat, and again, there's a ledge there. Any water that gets in here is not going to, bypass the mats. And this is actually the setup that it had in the front. Like I said, I swapped them over. But overall, I'm pretty happy with these. They don't have any type of weird odors or smells, which is nice. And then if we go ahead and slide this seat up, you'll see here, this is the set for the third row. And like I said, WeatherTech unfortunately did not have these. So that is why we went with these. All right, so it's been a little bit over a month now since I started filming this video, and I wanted to get some seat time in or some foot time in with these floor mats before I went ahead and posted this, because I wanted to make sure they were halfway decent. You'll see here, there is some dirt here stuck in the channels. Like I said, that these would be great for. It is definitely containing that. And if we lift the mat up, you'll see no dirt has made it past there. So they are definitely doing their job. And then again, here in the back seats, we have the kids back here. Also, they've done their job. They're keeping the car nice and clean. Let's go over to the passenger side. My wife is notorious for tracking crap in the car. So let's take a look. Again, this is not edited or altered. This is how the car has been sitting. She's got some of her junk and some of our McDonald's receipts there. But again, the floor mats, they're great. They're doing their job. And I definitely think these are a very good option for somebody that doesn't quite want to spend the money on WeatherTech, or maybe WeatherTech doesn't offer, exactly what you're looking for your vehicle. So if this video interested or helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to leave a link to these guys in the video description below. I'll leave them here for this GX460, and then I'll leave their store too. You can check them out, and if they have something you'd like, go ahead and buy them from our link. It'll help our channel out. We do greatly appreciate it. So please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time.